Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of the polar bear, the undisputed king of the Arctic. So, what makes these bears so special? Well, first off, they're absolutely massive. A male polar bear can weigh up to 1,500 pounds, which is about the size of a small car. They're also incredibly strong, with powerful claws and teeth that are perfectly adapted for hunting seals, their primary food source. But it's not just their size and strength that sets them apart. Polar bears have a thick layer of blubber that insulates them from the freezing temperatures, and their fur is incredibly dense, with hollow hairs that trap air and provide even more warmth. Their paws are also covered in rough pads and non-retractable claws, giving them excellent traction on the ice and snow. Now, where can you find these amazing creatures? Polar bears are found in the Arctic regions of the world, including countries like Canada, Russia, Greenland, Norway, and the United States, or Alaska. They prefer to live in areas with sea ice, which is essential for their hunting strategy. Speaking of hunting, let's talk about how these bears survive in such a harsh environment. Polar bears are incredibly patient hunters, spending hours waiting near breathing holes in the ice for seals to emerge. They're also incredibly stealthy, using their white fur as camouflage to sneak up on their prey. When they finally strike, they use their powerful jaws to deliver a fatal bite. But it's not just about hunting. Polar bears are also incredibly well adapted to the cold. They have a special blood vessel system that helps to conserve heat, and they can even lower their body temperature slightly to conserve energy when food is scarce. They also have a unique ability to hibernate, which allows them to survive through the long, dark winters when food is scarce. So, there you have it. The polar bear, a truly remarkable creature that has evolved to thrive in one of the most challenging environments on Earth. Their incredible adaptations, hunting strategies, and resilience make them a true symbol of the Arctic. Hey everyone, today we are diving into the world of the polar bear, the iconic symbol of the Arctic. Let's start by listening to the voice of the polar bear. Imagine yourself standing on a frozen plain, the wind whipping across the snow. You hear a deep, guttural growl, a sound that resonates with power and primal instinct. That's the sound of a polar bear, a creature that embodies the raw power of nature. Now, let's talk about what these magnificent animals eat. Polar bears are carnivores, and their diet consists almost entirely of seals. They are incredible hunters, patiently waiting near breathing holes in the ice or ambushing seals on land. They have a keen sense of smell, which helps them locate seals from miles away. Their thick fur and layer of blubber keep them warm in the frigid Arctic environment, and their powerful paws and claws are perfectly adapted for hunting and navigating the icy terrain. Reproduction is a fascinating aspect of the polar bear's life cycle. Females typically give birth to 0 to 3 cubs in snow dens. The cubs stay with their mother for two years, learning essential survival skills like hunting and navigating. This close bond between mother and cubs is crucial for their survival in the harsh Arctic environment. Now, let's address the question that's often on people's minds: are polar bears dangerous to humans? The answer is yes, they can be dangerous. Polar bears are apex predators, and they are capable of inflicting serious injuries. However, encounters between polar bears and humans are relatively rare. It's important to remember that polar bears are wild animals, and they should be respected and given space. If you're ever in an area where polar bears are present, it's crucial to take precautions to minimize the risk of encountering one. The relationship between polar bears and humans is complex. Climate change is a major threat to polar bear populations, as it's causing sea ice to melt, reducing their hunting grounds. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these magnificent animals and ensure their survival for future generations.